My name is Nitika. I hope you all are doing very well. So I am here to deliver a speech on the topic child labor. Yeah, child labor has been a very most important concern in the world because it affects the children both physically and mentally. It also destroys the future of the children. Every children is considered as a gift of God. So why they cannot fulfill their dreams and all they want? Because of some socio-economic reasons. What are these socio-economic reasons? Socio-economic reasons that the problems in their families by which they cannot fulfill their dreams, and they have to force to work in the industries, factories and malls, etc. And the government made an act, Child Labor Act, which is clearly defines that no children is allowed to do work in factories, industries, malls, etc. who is the under age of 14s. But due to poverty, child labor is caused. One reason is known as poverty. Poverty is also a reason which causes child labor, cause due to poverty parents cannot fulfill their children dreams and cannot send their children to school, as well as cannot afford for their books and all stationaries. That is why poverty is a very big issue in the country, not in India, in whole the world. It is a big issue, and it causes the child labor. And second, the second reason is the not getting the proper education and health, not getting the proper health and education. Why them not getting the proper education in some backward areas nowadays? Children not getting proper education, so they don't know about their rights, and they are not very healthy and wealthy, so they are not able to know what are their social rights and what they have to do, and they are not get direction by their parents as well. So they have to do work in the factories, industries and malls. So the conclusion of child labor is we have to focus on the improve the poverty of the whole world by one country. And the second conclusion is of the child labor is getting the proper education in all the areas as well as backward areas, and getting the proper health to the all children of the world. Thank you and have a nice day.